Let's dive into the top 5 fastest superbikes in the world. Number 5. BMW M1000RR. German precision meets power, delivering an exhilarating ride. Number 4. Ducati Superleggera 5.4. Italian craftsmanship and lightweight design make this a speed demon. Number 3. Lightning LS 218. Leading the electric revolution with unmatched speed. Number 2. MTT 420RR. Turbine-powered beast, redefining what's possible on 2 wheels. Number 1. Kawasaki Ninja H2R. The undisputed king of speed, leaving competitors in the dust. Pause.